Hello gardener, I will be sharing a very simple and effective way to grow Malabar spinach from cutting. This method has a 100% success rate and you can harvest in 4 weeks. There are simple 4 steps. First preparation, that means select your right cutting from the plant, then root that cutting and then plant the cutting and then finally harvest. So first of all, I am going to find my cutting pieces. This is one of my previous healthy plant. This I grown from seeds and you can see lot of healthy vines are there. The right one from cutting again, but the left ones grown from seeds. So they have grown very healthy. Lot of cuttings I will be finding from here, but I will only select only 2. And rest I will use for cooking. So I'm almost there. Now I'll be preparing for the next stage. That means select the right cutting and start for rooting. So I'll be removing all leaves. I'll keep only 1 leaves in the cutting. I am selecting this from my harvested Malabar spinach, but you can select the stem or cutting from the ones that you bought from the supermarket. That also should be fine. In this plastic cup, I only kept plain water and dipping those stems in the water. I only take 2 stems for my rooting and we'll see the results in some time. So I'll keep them in the bright area but not in the direct sunlight, and I will wait for 7 days. So after 1 week I can see roots are coming. There are little roots you can see. So with this way it's easy to plant because it's have more success rate, and I would say this is 100% success rate because you can see both of them are rooted nicely. Lot of healthy roots I can say, and they're ready to be planted in the soil. Before moving to the next stage, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for tips like that, and you can grow different vegetables and fruits and plants easily. So now it's planting time. You can see nice shoots are coming from the corner and the roots. So I'll put the roots down the soil. Malabar spinach can be grown in varieties of soil, but they mostly like fertile soil with plenty of organic matter. I am using a 2-liter pot for 1 plant, and you can use bigger pots for more than 1 plants. They don't need huge space to grow. They will be fine in this 2-liter pot, and I'll show you the outcome soon. After planting, I kept them in the bright sunlight and you can see the results in week 3. So this is the 2 weeks later after I planted. So it's total 3 weeks age, and a lot of shoots coming up. They will be soon ready for harvesting. So another week gone and it's a week 4, and you can see a lot of shoots are bigger shoots and they are ready to harvest soon, and I should be able to harvest now and start using. So as you harvest, they will grow more and more. So that's a good part, like you don't need to wait longer. Harvest as soon as you feels it's ready for harvest, and there will be new shoots coming from the sides, and you will harvest many times from the same plants. Please try this method and let me know how it went for you in the comments. I'm sure it will work 100%. Happy gardening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.